Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using this white tiny ciglet cicada from Megabass, and I'm going to be seeing if bass really care if an insect is a certain color or if it's more about the size and the action. So we're going to get some topwater bites in on this, and stay tuned to the end because I'm also going to try a 3D printed topwater bait and see how that does. Let's get right into it. Hello. On the albino cicada. Another one. Nothing huge, but they clearly like it. Another one on the white cicada. There it is. Another one. This one looks healthier. He's pretty decent chunkiness. Been eating a little better. It's good to see. Oh, let's go. Now this, oh. No, 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 no. Relax. Gotta take your picture. That lure that I just caught a fish on, this is 3D printed. Somebody that I work with, their husband 3D prints lures, gave me one to try, so that was my first fish on that, and clearly he does a good job with them. I mean, the paint looks good, eyes held up after the first fish, strong sturdy hooks, looks like they could be for salt water. It does a nice popping action, and it's got some kind of coating to where it does not get scratched up. But first fish on it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.